welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Julia, nice to meet you. And today is two things. So one, it's the start of weekly vlogs. I decided it's gonna be one, the easiest for me to handle when we go back to school, and two, I like doing vlogs, so I want to do them more often. And I know you guys like the vlogs. My new posting dates are Monday and Thursday, so Mondays are going to be the vlogs and then Thursdays are just going to be the regular videos. That is what's going on. Let's talk about today. So today, going back to college. Let's put our hands up. I'm so excited. We want to leave no later than 11 because we don't really have a plan time that we need to go. Oh, for those of you who don't know, I'm moving into a new apartment. So most of my stuff is in Tallahassee, but a lot of my stuff is here as well. I pretty much have everything packed. I have to pack my comforter. I packed most of it yesterday, but there's still some like little things that I need to take with me. But now I'm just gonna touch up the basic things. I think I'm gonna put the camera down, pack this stuff. Okay, we have all the cars packed up to the brim. This is car number 1. This car all packed up. It's all packed up and ready to go. I showed you guys the packed car. As you can see, it's pretty packed. Honestly, I thought like both cars were gonna be like to the brim, like we weren't gonna be able to like fit like extra stuff or whatever. Lo and behold, we have. We're gonna get to the road. I'm driving the first half, he's driving the second half, so we're gonna get some food and then head out. Okay, good morning, it's the next day. My hair kind of looks a little bit crazy. I just woke up, so I'm not super energetic right now. It's moving day, I'm really excited. Yesterday, I didn't really vlog a lot when I got here because all our friends were here, so we were all catching up. But yeah, I didn't really feel like taking out my camera yesterday. I wanted to like enjoy, you know, all that. It's about like 9 o'clock-ish now. My roommate and I were gonna go get bagels, which I'm very, very excited about. And then go get our keys to move in. We're about to get our keys. It's 11 o'clock. I'm gonna put you away and then I'll show you the empty apartment. Okay, we're currently trying to find our apartment. It's not, oh wait, I think it's on the other side. Ready? Oh. There you go. Our new apartment. This is my room.
Your bathroom?
Bathroom, oh my God, it's humongous.
And there's no rug, it's all
Floors. Oh my, we have to look at our balcony. Okay, we'll look at that next. The bathrooms are humongous. Oh my gosh.
I like it. Let's go see the balcony.
Oh, the balcony. This is what I'm most excited for.
Where's the...
I think you have to go like this.
Oh, yeah, you're right. What?
Yes, we have a view of the pool. Ta-da. Wow. Oh my God. Yay. Okay, why'd they put the AC thing like right here?
Is this our pantry?
I don't know.
It
Or like we can even use this for like extra storage space.
Yeah.
Let's explore. Oh my God, there's a wine drawer. Oh wait, I think that's just a regular drawer, but it's a wine drawer. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's our informal apartment tour. I love it. I like it a lot better than, like I thought I was gonna like it.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, we can take off our mask. We're in our apartment. I like it a lot better than like, I didn't know these were gonna be black. I really like it. Okay, so we just brought most of the stuff upstairs. We hung some of it up here. Let me show you how much stuff. There's so much stuff. Boxes, my dad on the phone. I didn't film while we were moving up. As you can see, I'm very red. I took the stairs a couple times with boxes and that was not fun. They're gonna go back and get the rest of my stuff and I'm gonna start unpacking. I think I'm gonna start with this because this is the easiest. And then just unpack and go from there. I think I'm gonna rearrange my room too, so I have to see how I'm gonna do it. So we'll see what happens. Probably do some time lapses, so you'll see some of the stuff. Current update. So I feng shuied my room here. Let me show you. So my desk was over here and the bed was pushed all the way to this side. So I moved it to the center kind of, and then I put my vanity there so this can be like my little cute area. Put my desk here. I'm not gonna really use my desk. I'm gonna make this corner like with my clothing rack and whatever. And I left this area empty because if worst case I won't put anything there, but if my clothes don't fit in these things right here, then I'm gonna get a dresser and just put it there. So it's going along. It's going along, but it's a lot. Oh my God. couple hours. There's been a lot of progress, but we have since added more stuff. So there's so many more things. So I'm pretty much just gonna sit here and just like rush through it because I have more clothes than I thought. So I'm gonna hang up more stuff and all that. So I'm gonna turn on my music and get to work because I'm over it already. In my closet, I had a little bit of a mess. I thought, because I packed my camera batteries, I didn't know where I packed them and my camera died in the middle of me doing my shoes. So I just spent the past like 20 minutes trying to find it. It was in this bag right here. There hasn't been like so much progress, but I'm about to like, again, speed through it. I have so much to do. I took a break. I ate some lunch. I got some acai bowls and I already embarrassed myself in my balcony. I was eating with my dad. Like they're a little cafe bistro thing you'll see soon. And I heard one of my friends singing inside and as a joke, I'm like, oh my God, you're so loud. But I guess I said it a little bit. I didn't think I said it too loud. I was like, you're so loud. But then it echoed through the whole entire like thing, like the entire inside. Like of all the thing, and then some dogs started barking, so I just ran inside because of embarrassment. I already embarrassed myself, so I'm not going outside to the balcony for the rest of the day because I'm a little bit traumatized. So I have a lot of stuff to do. My mom's on her way to, she finished her work for the day, so she's gonna come and help me. I look like a hot mess, but that's okay. I'm like, so I can't wait to shower. I'm so excited to shower.
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drive it, la la la. That's my type.
What make a nigga? Hello, got a blunt? Am I dental?
Do you have no closet door? Are they gonna put one? No. They just leave it open? Yeah. My eyes look blue. Hello.
This is mine.
What?
I have been looking for this everywhere.
Have it. It's been a couple hours. We have since gone to Target, so I'm going to give a mini Target haul. So first thing, we got 2 of these shelves. The Target was like empty, like there was nothing there. Like we were lucky enough to like find these 2 shelves. We're gonna put them in here. That's the first thing. Strawberry margarita mix, important. Or just margarita. Would you like to stay for my haul?
Sure.
You don't have to stay if you don't want to.
That's okay.
Welcome our special guest star, Michelle Fernandez. Woo! I just showed them the strawberry margarita.
That's for me.
And then we're
I'm not
sharing. And then we got mango margarita. And then I got this other shelf put somewhere. We will find a place for it. Then we got this. So Danielle and I could put our cookies in. We're gonna put Oreos. We're gonna do the Khloe Kardashian thing.
Wait, I don't know about this Khloe Kardashian.
She like organizes her Oreos like in a super like, oh, she calls it Khloe CD.
And we are going to make a really pretty design.
She got a book. Are you gonna talk about your book or are you just gonna show it?
Everyone should read these books. You're a badass. You're a badass at making money, and you're a badass every day. Put it on your list.
Thank you, Mom, for that motivational talk. Then we got shower curtain liner things, shower curtain ringy things. Okay, that's the Target haul. Woohoo! So we're gonna hang up the shelves so then while they're at dinner, I can put stuff on the shelf so we can clear up room. Okay, everything's loud, but I'm going to hang up the shower curtain now. Doesn't move that fast. Swiftness, I give it a 3 out of 10. Effectiveness, well, it's not that swift, I can't play with it, so it's a 2x. Good. Done! Okay, so my dad put up the little bar shelves. Hold on. We're gonna do our bar area here. We have to get all the stuff. And then he's starting to put up the string lights. Not the string lights, the LED strip lights. It looks so cool. I think we're gonna have to get another talk, but it looks good. I'm not helping, but it looks good. Look how cool. It's a club in here. Oh, I'm about to break it down. So cool. Oh my God, someone's gonna have a seizure. Good morning, it is the next day. Danielle's here. So basically last night we didn't really do, after we like finished for the day, we just kind of chilled. We drank some like the margarita things, and then we hung up the LED strip lights and all that. And it's been a chill morning too. Yeah. All we've done, like, we've gotten up, we went to the leasing office, I picked up a package, we went to Target, got some more stuff. We drove to a super far Target because I don't know why, honestly, I don't know why more people aren't coming to this Target. Exactly. Because the Target near us was like completely empty. And we found like all the stuff that we needed pretty much. Like there's a couple things that we still need to get. But I want to try on the camera because Danielle got the kiwi star fruit, whatever. Is it good?
It is actually really good. It has like a soury taste, but it's good. It's really good.
It's a new Starbucks drink, and we got some ham and cheese croissants. Danielle, pretty much, you're done packing, like unpacking.
Yeah, I'm just missing a few stuff. Like I'm missing to hang a few things.
Yeah, I think you should be finished by today. So we're gonna head back to the apartment. Oh, there's also no network, and I need to know how to get back. Back from Target, so we're gonna do a little haul for you people. Target haul of wine glasses, only $7. Yeah. This plants. We got hand sanitizer, and then pink sponges. We got this pure thing for our sink, so we can drink water. An aroma. Yeah, I got a shirt. It's mine. Okay. I got this cool lip roller thing, and it's reusable.
I thought you said lip roller. What the hell would you roll your lips? But
a lint.
I don't know about this though. So.
We got this basket for under the media console. We found cups, room essentials. Oh, these are our soap dispensers. And that's the end of our Target haul. Oh my god, that looks good. Okay, it's happy hour time. I have my Truly. I was starting to drink it. I didn't really drink a lot of it. I started to drink it when I was getting ready. Let me show you my outfit. We made a lot of progress when my mom did. She cleaned up a lot of the stuff. So it's like a little bit more organized than it was before. Let me show you my outfit. I'm just wearing like this white top. It's kind of see-through, but like I'm just gonna put my hair like this because I'm not really feeling anything else in my closet. We're gonna go to happy hour. I'm not gonna bring my camera, but I'll like videotape on my phone and everything. Oh, I love the way my makeup came out. Oh my god, I also hung up the mirror. So that is basically what's happening. I'm gonna finish my Truly. This is my first time trying the pineapple one. It's very delicious. I would highly recommend it. Oh no, this is mango, sorry. This is the mango one. I will highly recommend it. So yeah, I'll see whatever clips I get at happy hour. I'll probably be back by like 8 or 9. I don't want to stay out too late, but who knows. We have since gotten back from happy hour. We had to pee so bad. We ran up those stairs like, I don't think I've ever run that fast before. Now we're gonna have some wine, keep the party going. This is the wine we are drinking. This is Capuchon. I don't know how it's pronounced. Oh wait, you ready? You hear it?
Yes,
a little.
I love that noise.
Okay, so what I didn't show you guys yesterday, I don't think I showed you. My dad installed the bar shelves. So like this, we haven't arranged it yet. This is some of the stuff. But little baby Patrona. We should give the baby Patrona a name.
We should.
What about Pepito?
Pepito it is.
We tried to put him on the top shelf, but like he just looks so sad.
You pull up, baby. How you pull up?
Close this?
Yeah. Alexa, put on Savage Remix.
There you go.
Savage Remix, featuring Beyonce by Megan Thee Stallion. Featuring Beyonce on Amazon Music.
Freaking longest title. I'm ready to jam, Alexa. Come on, hurry up. Hi everyone, so it is the next morning. I think the last thing that I showed you guys was us dancing. So after I finished that, a couple, like my roommate and a couple of our friends went to go to help our friend move in, and while they were there, I finished organizing my vanity. Like there's still stuff on it, but like I put like the makeup away, and I organized my bathroom a little bit. I cleaned up the kitchen a little bit. Just needed to get some like house things done. I finished that last night, and this morning my parents left. We had breakfast with them, which was really good, and I got COVID tested. I don't know my results, and it was so weird because I thought they were gonna do it for me, but like you did it yourself. I'm not sure. They gave us free masks and everything, so that's basically has been my morning. It's right now like 9:40. So I have some things to do. I have to go grocery shopping. I haven't gone grocery shopping. To get a trash can, I wait to get a couple things, and right now all the stores are pretty much like out of stock around here. So for like the throw pillows for our living area, we have to like maybe order those online. So there's still some stuff that needs to be done. I feel like we should be moved in completely by like Tuesday or something. We still have some stuff to DIY. The dresser comes in the 31st, so then this whole pile of clothes will be gone. So that is exciting. I don't know if all the clothes will fit in there, so I'll probably have to get rid of some stuff, but besides that, it's been like, again, like a chill morning. Gonna get my roommate, go to do all our little errands. I don't know how much I'm gonna get there. I'm not gonna bring my camera there because I feel like it's super weird to film in public now with a camera, especially like with COVID and stuff. So we have since gotten home from our second round of errands. and I was supposed to get Popeyes, but then Popeyes ran out of chicken sandwiches and I was pouty. But then my brother brought me Checkers, so it's all okay. Danielle put together the Oreo jar, and look how cute it looks. I think I'm gonna go over to my friend's apartment that live across the street to go say hi really fast, and then we're getting together with some friends tonight, so we have to get ready for that. That's basically what's been going on. It's been a long day, a long, tiring day. I've been up since 7:30. Okay, so it is the next morning. It is Sunday, just hung out with some friends. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoy a weekly vlog. I feel like I'm gonna enjoy this more. It's a little bit easier, a little bit less stressful, but besides that, I do enjoy doing vlogs and showing you guys more of my everyday life. So yeah, let me know if you guys like these weekly vlogs. If you have any ideas of what you want me to do like in them, especially like since I'm settling back into school, won't be that hectic. Just leave any suggestions you have down in the comments below. So I'm just gonna end it here. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Turn the post notifications. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.